Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for May 23rd through June 4th. During this period, the most predominant feature is this ridge over Alaska, Western Canada during this period. And this is a fairly strong ridge, and it's creating a split flow across Western North America. We have a trough in the southwest, and the GFS is showing a trough into the northeast. And we have a subtropical ridge forecast over the southeast that's forecast to build. And this pattern will tend to keep conditions mild in the east. This is the GFS. Go to the end of the period. This is the 27th. And you can see our southeast ridge builds. I'm going to go back to the 23rd. And we're going to go forward slowly, and you can see the ridge starting to build across the southeast. Models in good agreement on this solution, but you can see the GFS is most adamant in pushing the trough into the northeast mid-Atlantic, but as we go through the end of the period, and the other models, they're less likely keeping it across New England. Above normal precipitation is forecast for the southern plains. Below normal temperatures are forecast for much of the west and the northeast. Anomalies are forecast to be about 10 to 20 degrees above anomalies forecast to be 10 to 20 degrees in the below normal areas, and above normal temperatures are forecast for the southeast, with anomalies you can see here of about 20, maybe 25 degrees above normal. Going to look now at the period for May 26th to the 30th. We're at the 27th. Little change in the circulation pattern, a split flow is still forecast across Western North America. And we have a zone of flow across the east. We have a trough here We have a trough here forecast over the Aleutians, ridge here, and a trough in the southwest. And we have a ridge here over the southeast. During this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for much of this area, below normal temperatures here, and we're going to look at the temperature anomalies. Forecasting anomalies at 10 degrees forecast across the southwest and up to 20 degrees above normal in the east. Below normal temperatures are forecast for southwest and the central and southern plain. Expected anomalies at 10 to 20 degrees. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, below normal precipitation for this area. We're going to look at the period now for May 31st through June 4th. Here we are at the 31st. Now the models begin to break down the split, although the GFS holds on to the split flow with the ridge here over Alaska and Western Canada. But you can still see we have near to above normal heights across much of the nation. And the trough seems to lift back to the north. Going to go to the end of the period. This is the 3rd. We see very little change. Still a zone of flow across much of the nation. That's the GFS. And we look at the other models, and they're forecasting still kind of like a split flow, but much weaker than it was in the previous period, with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. And you can see that the Canadian gets rid of the zone of flow pretty much completely. And so during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and above normal temperatures here, and we're going to look at the ensembles And you can see why I'm forecasting this. Look at this. We have anomalies of at least 15 to 25 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this area. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for May 23rd through June 4th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.